How do you support your gut if you have no time? If you feel like your life is already packed and the idea of complicated diets or long recipes just feels overwhelming, this video is for you. In my experience, the habits that support gut wellness the most are actually incredibly simple, and many of them take far less time than people expect. One of the biggest shifts that helped my digestion actually had nothing to do with cooking meals at all, and I'll share that in a little bit. The first thing that surprised me when I started supporting my gut health is how simple the meals actually can be. A lot of people assume that gut wellness requires elaborate recipes and hours spent cooking. But some of the most supportive meals are actually ones that come together with very little time and almost no effort. Some of my favorite gut supportive meals are things like a simple GAPS chicken soup, nourishing beef stew, or a savory lamb stew. These meals are incredibly simple. Meaty bones, water, vegetables, herbs, all simmered together. You can really just put everything into one pot, let it cook slowly, and end up with a deeply nourishing meal. And if you adjust your amounts, you can have enough for several days. I love swapping out the different cuts of meat, the different vegetables, the different herbs for endless variety. I also love cooking a larger amount than we need and freezing half of it for super easy meals to bring out of the freezer later. Meals like this just feel so grounding and satisfying. And many people notice that their digestion feels a lot better when they're eating this way. And one thing I know for sure, when making meals is quick and easy, that really reduces stress, which helps us feel better also. And interestingly, keeping things simple like this makes this next habit a lot easier to follow. So if cooking for gut wellness feels overwhelming for you right now, start with one simple soup recipe. One pot, a few ingredients, and you have nourishing meals ready to go. And before we get to the next habit, if you're looking for a free guide to start feeling better this week, you'll definitely want to check out my free Gut Reset Jumpstart Guide. It's linked down in the description below. The second thing that helps make supporting gut wellness surprisingly simple is making a habit of adding one probiotic food to each meal. A lot of people think that they need huge amounts of probiotic foods right away and so many different ones. But in my experience, consistency matters a lot more than quantity. So this could look like a forkful of sauerkraut, a small glass of kefir, a bowl of yogurt, or some beet kvass. These foods really help to populate our microbiome with beneficial microbes, which helps digestion feel and work so much better. And because the amounts are so small, it's really easy to start including them without feeling like you're changing your whole routine. But there's another trick that makes things even easier, especially if you're busy. So instead of thinking that you have to overhaul everything all at once, just start adding a probiotic food to every meal, or as often as you can. But before we get to the trick I want to share, I'm curious about something. What's the biggest thing that makes supporting your gut feel hard for you right now? Is it time, cooking, stress, or something else? Leave me a comment and let me know. One of the easiest ways to make including probiotic foods effortless is batch preparing them. So instead of feeling like you're making fermented foods constantly, you can prepare them once and then use them for weeks and months. For example, you can make sauerkraut and it will last for literally months. I personally make our sauerkraut once a year and then we eat it all throughout the rest of the year. You can make larger batches of yogurt and just keep it in the refrigerator. So then when you sit down to eat, you just grab a forkful or a spoonful and add it to your meal. And that way you're getting the benefits without the stress of having to think about making them so often. Other options can include buying high quality raw probiotic fermented foods like sauerkraut and beet kvass from places that offer them. And sometimes farms offer really high quality cultured dairy products as well. So even if making them yourself feels like completely out of the question, there might be a really good purchased option that you could use too. Having nourishing foods ready to go really helps remove a lot of that decision fatigue. And that alone can help make these habits so much easier to stick with. but food is only one part of the picture. So doing a little preparation up front can make your daily routine so much faster and easier. And before we get to my next tip, if you would like a shopping list for better digestion, hormones, and mood, check out my free Real Food for Real Results shopping list linked down in the description below. This next piece surprised me when I first started paying attention to it. Supporting your gut isn't just about food. It's also about how much stress and busyness our bodies are dealing with. Our bodies digest and repair the best when they're in a calm state. But modern life often keeps us in constant go mode. We're rushing, multitasking, checking notifications, trying to fit everything into the day. And while some life situations do truly limit how much control we have over our schedule, many of us also live in a culture that encourages being busy all the time. Sometimes supporting our health means slowing down enough to give our body the time and space that it needs to rest and heal. And this leads into the final piece, which really might be the most important one. So, even small amounts of rest can really help shift the body into a calmer state where digestion works better. The final piece of supporting your gut when you're busy is something that a lot of people don't talk about. The body cannot restore itself without rest. When we're constantly rushed or stressing, the body stays in a mode that prioritizes survival rather than digestion and repair. But when we start creating space for rest, even in small ways, the body can finally settle. Sometimes that means saying no to things that aren't truly necessary. Sometimes it means protecting your evenings so that you have time to wind down. And sometimes it simply means allowing your body to move through the day at a little bit slower pace. Rest is a never wasted time. It's one of the ways that the body rebuilds. So if you feel like you don't have time to support your gut, start with small, gentle shifts that you can just build into your day that don't require any extra time. Simple meals that are quick and easy to prepare, a little probiotic food, and giving your body space to rest can go a long way. Often, the habits that support the body the most are the ones that make life simpler, not more complicated. And if you would like to start making some easy food swaps that reduce cravings, inflammation, and brain fog, be sure and check out my free Easy Real Food Swaps guide linked down in the description below this video, along with the other ebooks that I mentioned earlier. Now that you know how to support your gut if you feel like you have no time, you might be wondering, what's the easiest way to start making one of the most powerful probiotic foods at home? But how do you do that? It all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair what you're about to learn in that video with what you just learned here, it's so much more powerful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.